Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Toyota Sienna sliding door. Many owners experience issues like the door not opening or closing smoothly. We'll cover common problems such as motor failure, frayed cables, or track obstructions. Understanding these issues is the first step to a successful repair. We'll also look at worn rollers and hinges, which can prevent proper door function. Let's get started on diagnosing these common sliding door problems. Now let's pinpoint the exact issue. You might hear grinding or clicking sounds, indicating a mechanical problem. For electrical components, a multimeter can help test for proper voltage. Make sure to gather basic tools like screwdrivers, wrenches, and a plastic pry toolkit. These will be essential for safely accessing and repairing the door's internal mechanisms. Proper diagnosis saves time and money. Before any repair, always disconnect your vehicle's battery for safety. Next, carefully remove the interior trim panels to expose the door's components. This often requires a plastic pry tool to avoid damage. Once inside, you can replace faulty parts like a worn motor or a frayed cable assembly. Follow specific instructions for your Sienna model to ensure correct reassembly and function. This step-by-step approach ensures a thorough repair. After completing your repairs, it's crucial to test the door's operation thoroughly. Open and close it multiple times, both manually and with power, to ensure everything works smoothly. Regular maintenance is key to preventing future problems. Lubricate the tracks and moving parts with a silicone spray to keep them gliding effortlessly. Performing these simple checks and maintenance steps will help extend the life of your sliding door.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.